Thank you very much. Put your feet up. Relax. We're about to celebrate you. I have a master mixologist, so you say hungry.
Yes.
But I've also heard that you're feeling to drink early today. Yeah, want to start with a drink. And that's why Master Mixologist Tyrone Benjamin is here. He's here to pull together a little cocktail for us to start things off today. This cocktail, this segment, we call it Happy Hour. And it's brought to you by Tropical Rhythms.
Tropical Rhythms, yes.
Tyrone, it's over to you. I put Paola in your hands.
Paola, how are you today?
Good.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed it very much.
Yes, I am. This is awesome. I'm feeling spoiled.
Well, we're gonna continue to spoil you here, and I'm gonna make a nice cocktail for you. All right, I'm gonna get right into it, and it has pineapple and guava and ginger. All right.
That sounds like a shot. A Paola shot.
Oh, like one of my immunity shots.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be using 2 ounces of vodka. You drink vodka, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice. It's gonna be neutral throughout the cocktail, so you're gonna get the bold flavors of the tropical rhythm, and this one is the pineapple ginger.
Pineapple ginger.
All right.
You smell the fruitiness of the tropical rhythms.
Yes.
Yeah, you smell it as you open the
It's
bottle.
definitely a fruity style drink.
Yeah.
You're gonna love this. It's not too much sugar. It's kind of low in sugar, so it's not over sweet. And this one is the pineapple and guava.
Oh yeah.
Right?
I love guava.
Even the mixologist is catering for your low
Yes.
sugar. Yeah.
So next I'm gonna add, this is actually balsamic vinegar. So it's a kitchen ingredient, right? But this one is dark raspberry, right? It's really,
That's how you
pungent.
your concoction? Or that,
Yes, yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
So raspberry
yes.
and balsamic vinegar.
Yeah, so what we do, like almost like you could call it like a shrub because of the vinegar element. You take the raspberry, some sugar and the vinegar, and you put it in the fridge for a few days. But I use a dark balsamic vinegar. You can even age it in a barrel as well, right, to get the dark color. So this is kind of strong, so I'm gonna just add a 1/4 ounce of this, but you're definitely gonna get the flavor throughout the drink. And I have here orange and rose water. So this as well is going to be the citrus in the cocktail. I'm not using any fresh citrus in this drink.
Okay.
So you're going to lend to that to balance the sweetness, all right?
It's got a perfume it, I'm supposing, as well.
Yes. Nice. So to that now, I add some ice to my glass. So you go all up, just throw over. Into this we shake.
Paola, are you a cocktail girl or you like your wine? Are you a cocktail? You like?
No, I like.
You like
I
cocktails?
like cocktails. Yeah.
Yeah. I know you ladies like to sip on your wines and so on.
Yes. No, I like both.
You like
but,
both?
I definitely see as we're aging. I'm aging. But wine has like a little effect. Or like I may feel it more.
Right.
And I find it bloats me a lot, you know.
Right.
So I now try to stick to more the drier alcohol.
Just gonna add a little ice to this. Keep it nice and chilled. Simple garnish. Some nice fresh guava. We have our fresh thyme. Nice. So we call this one Health and Happiness.
Health and happiness.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Health and happiness. Paola Henderson. Cheers to you.
So in Ecuador, right, you bounce the tap the glasses and you look at each other and then you sip with still staring at each other. Right.
So if you didn't know, Paola is also half Ecuadorian. She's Trini Ecuadorian.
Yes.
Yeah. We coming back. Our mom is our family here on Cup of Joe. Paola Henderson, our health coach. And I am doing healthy dishes for her when we come back. Oh my God.
Can't wait.
It's happy hour, courtesy Tropical Rhythms. So different, so good together.